Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing your data. Back up files to an external drive or cloud and confirm you can restore them. Next, sign out and deauthorize accounts. Email, Microsoft, iCloud, Adobe, and remove 2FA from the device so it won't block the buyer. Unplug and remove any SD cards, USB drives, and peripherals, and note serial numbers and OS license keys. Once done, make sure backups are complete. You're ready to wipe without risking permanent loss. You now perform the secure erase. On Windows Use Reset, remove everything clean data. On Mac OS Boot Recovery, erase with disk utility, then reinstall. For SSD, run the manufacturer's secure erase or ATA secure erase to avoid remnant data. This matters because SSD wear leveling can leave recoverable traces. Once erased, reinstall a fresh OS image and apply critical updates only. Create a generic user account for the buyer. You finish by clearing firmware locks. Remove BIOS/UEFI passwords and reset secure boot keys so the new owner can install OS. Clean the chassis and screen, pack the charger, and document condition and included accessories. If the buyer reports leftover data or activation problems, don't panic. Rerun the secure erase or boot a trusted wipe utility and repeat the reinstall. If firmware activation fails, check license info you recorded earlier and contact vendor support as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.